And our flower blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Exodus chapter 38 in verse 21 up to verse 31. Bezalel had worked closely with Oholiab, who was an expert at designing and engraving and embroidering blue, purple, and red wool. The two of them completed the work and the work that the Lord had commanded. Moses made Aaron's son Ithamar responsible for keeping record of the metals used for the sacred tent. According to the official weights, the amount of gold given was a metric ton, and the silver that was collected when the people were counted came to 3.4 metric ton. Everyone who was counted paid the required amount. There was a total of 603,550 men who were 20 years or older. 34 kilograms of the silver were used to make each of the 100 stand for the sacred tent and the curtain, and the remaining 30 kilograms of silver were used for the hooks and rods and for covering the tops of the posts. 2,425 kilograms of bronze were given. It was used to make the stands for the entrance of the tent, the altar, and its grating. The equipment for the altar, the stands for the posts that surrounded the courtyard, including those at the entrance to the courtyard, and the pegs for the tent and the courtyard. So in this passage, technically they weigh they measure the weight of the available materials that was used for the tent of the tabernacle. You see, we are fully aware that those construction materials in making that tent of the tabernacles was an offering given by the Israelites out of their obedience. However, Moses is also aware that he too needs to be accountable for the offering and for the materials. Okay? So, there is accountability during the time of Moses. And everything is transparent. That's why they even record the weight and the kilograms of those bronze, silver, and even the 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 amount or the the materials used for certain parts of the tent. So they record everything for accountability. See, that's what real leadership. Being accountable and transparent pertaining to the funds, pertaining to the offering of the Israelites. So in other words, the Israelites were fully aware that their offerings were fully utilized. And of course, there is no corruption during the time of Moses because everything was supervised and everything was recorded. And later, they were able to finish the tent of the tabernacle.